In this video, we'll be going through the quick and easy process to update your BirdDog P100 with the latest firmware, and how to use the updated camera with the BirdDog CamControl and auto tracking. This is a 3-step process. Please note, you will need to carry out this process using a Windows PC. Start by visiting bird-dog.tv/features/firmware-updates and scroll down until you see the section dedicated to the P100. Download the firmware and the latest release notes. Before starting, look at the bottom of your P100 camera. Check under the QR code for the number starting with MS. If this number contains an AA, navigate to that subfolder in your firmware folder. If it has an AD, navigate to the AD folder. Ours has an AA. Step 1. First, you must update your camera's baseboard. For this step, you will need a USB-A to USB cable. Navigate to the subfolder labeled Step 1. Connect your USB-A to USB cable to the USB-A port on your P100 and the USB port on your Windows PC. Within the Step 1 folder, open the application shown on screen. Within this application, under Device List, select UVC C-C Cam. Click on the firmware button and then navigate back to your Step 1 folder to select the bin file. Now select Update. Once this is complete, hit OK and your baseboard has been updated. Step 2. Now you must perform the MCU update on your camera. First, make sure you have a USB flash drive formatted to FAT32. You will also need to power your P100 with the supplied power cable, rather than power over Ethernet for this step. Navigate to your Step 2 folder inside your firmware zip file. Take the bin file and copy it to an empty USB FAT32 formatted flash drive. Take this USB and insert it into your P100, then remove all power from your camera. Wait 10 seconds and power your camera back up. Make sure you only have your power cable and the USB plugged in for this part of the update. Once your camera has completed its update, it will pan left to right. After this, you may power down, remove your USB, and power the camera up with its usual cable configuration. Now you can check to see if the process is complete. This step is specific to the January 2022 CamControl firmware update. Later updates will require you to look at your instruction manual for guidance on how to verify if your camera is updated. To check that this update was successful, go to your camera's on-screen display, which can be accessed in the web UI under PTZ. In the on-screen display, navigate to System and check the bottom number. For AA cameras like ours, the number will end in AA036. For AD cameras, this number will end in AD041. Step 3. Now it is time to upgrade your camera's NDI firmware. Make sure your camera is powered up via Power over Ethernet and connected to your network. Then head to the web UI. Within the web UI, navigate to System menu. Click Choose File. From here, navigate to your Step 3 folder and select the .fw file. Click Update. It's important to note that this process cannot be interrupted and may take up to 5 minutes. After this is complete, give the camera 2 minutes to reboot before refreshing your browser. Your camera is now fully updated. Downloading CamControl. Now go to bird-dog.tv/camcontrol-overview. Select Download Now to download and install BirdDog's free CamControl software. Upon opening the software, you can select the P100 camera as an NDI source and begin using CamControl as well as the onboard auto tracking capability.